Coming question number 2. Plants in grasslands. Plants in grasslands. So grasslands are the areas of land mostly covered with grasses, because in this word only grass and lands. Okay, so we will break it grassland. So it gives the idea that it that grasslands are areas of land mostly covered with grass. The climate is generally hot and dry. In grassland, the climate is generally hot and dry. Some adaptation of plants in grassland are as follows. The roots of the grasses in grassland grow deep into the ground to reach water. Okay, whatever the plants grows in grassland, their roots goes very deep into the ground for reaching water. Okay, for receiving water. The stems of grasses are soft and flexible, soft and flexible, so that the plants do not break when strong winds blow. Okay, the stems means because root is very deep, so whatever the stems are there, they are very flexible. Why they are soft? They are very soft and flexible. Why? So when very strong wind blow, they should not break. Okay, they will not break. That's why they are very soft and flexible. First thing, second thing, that their root is very deep inside the soil. So plants, grass, lands are area of land mostly what covered with grasses. This second part is the climate in this. The climate is generally this grassland climate is very generally hot and dry. The climate is generally hot and dry. Some adaptation are the roots of the grasses in grassland grows deep into the ground to reach water. Second is the stems are soft and flexible. Why? So that they do not break when strong winds blow. That's why they are soft and they are flexible. Now we move to plants in mountains. Plants in mountains. Okay, so now plants in mountains. Mountains are higher than plains and generally have a cold climate. Okay, because mountains are higher than plain, means higher than land, higher than deserts. That's why they have very cold climate. They have very cold climate. Evergreen trees such as pine, fir, and spruce are the example of mountain plant. Okay, like whatever the trees grows on mountain, they are evergreen. Okay, they are evergreen throughout the year. So example are pine, fir, and spruce. Okay, so mountains are higher more rain, more cold, we really have cold climate. Okay, and the climate evergreen trees, evergreen trees such as pine, fir, spruce are grows on mountain. Now we'll see some adaptation. So mountain trees are usually tall and straight. Okay, mountain trees are usually tall and straight. Their branches are arranged such that the trees have a conical shapes. Conical shape means whatever trees grows on mountains, their leaves are arranged such way that they have conical, like this conical. Okay, cone. Ice cream, if you have seen like that cone ice cream. So in this, trees are usually tall and straight. The leaves are arranged, okay, such that trees have a conical shape. If you have seen a Christmas tree also grows on the mountain area. Christmas trees leaves are like a conical shape. They are arranged such way that whole tree, whole plants look like in a conical shape. This allows to slide up the branches easily. This allows snow. Why they have conical shape? Why? Because mountain area, cold area. So whatever snow will fall on the leaves, they will slide. That's why in roof, people who lives in cold area, they make their roof like this conical. That's why whatever snow will be there, they will slide. Same in conical shape, this tree also. Their leaves are in such way that whatever snow will come, they will slide up easily. The trees have waxy needle-like leaves to ensure that snow does not collect on them and also to prevent loss of water. Okay, the tree have waxy needle-like leaves. Trees have waxy and needle-like leaves to ensure that snow does not collect on leaves on them, and also to prevent loss of water. Last point is, most trees in the mountain do not have flower. Okay, most trees on the mountain, they do not have flower. Seeds are born inside cones which protect the seeds from the cold. Okay, that whatever seeds are there, they are born inside the cone only. So most trees in the mountain do not have flower. Okay, and seeds are born inside cones which protect the seeds from the. So these are the plants which grows in mountain. So plants grow in forests, I explain. Plants grow in grassland, I explain. Plants that grows in mountain, I explain. In next classes, I will go for next topic. Plants grows in deserts and plants grows in swamps and marshes area. So for now, goodbye to all.